Telegram background download. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can enable background download on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to keep something downloaded in the background while you're also using other apps on Telegram, it's very simple. Now normally this is an automatic process, so you don't really need to do anything. Whenever you're opening up Telegram and then let's say that you go to a certain group over here and maybe you'd like to download an image or a video file that's been shared within inside of it, normally you tap the three dots option and then just tap the save to gallery option in order to save those images or videos or files to your gallery. So basically they're going to get enabled by default in the background, but in case it is not running in the background, what you have to do is you have to enable and disable data restrictions. So tap the three lines option from the top left and go to the option called settings here, and when you go to settings here you can see many of the options where you can see data and storage as well. Tap on data and storage option, and once you have done that you should be able to see this all sorts of information where you can choose to turn on when connected to Wi-Fi, which is automatic media download, and when roaming as well, make sure to turn that on, and background download should be enabled. This way you can enable Telegram background download. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.